For this video we're going to look at a useful little tool built into Windows 10 called the Snipping Tool. So for instance, we have a web page here. It can be anything that's on your screen, it doesn't matter. And we just want to take, for instance, a grab of this logo here at the top. So what we can do is click on the start button and just type in the word snip, and Snipping Tool will appear in the list. Click on Snipping Tool and this will appear. Easiest way to do it is just click on New. You'll notice the screen goes brighter, and all you have to do is draw a line around the section that you want. You'll notice the Snipping Tool pops back to the front, and there's the item. What it's actually done is it's taken that bit that you've cut out and it's put it into the clipboard of the computer. So if we go to Word, and we can either hit Control and V for paste, or we can right click and paste, you'll notice it comes straight up. So it's popped it into the clipboard. If we go back to the clipping tool, a couple of things we can do is we could draw on it if we wanted to. As you can see, you've got a red pen, blue pen, black pen, or you can customize it. You've also got a highlighter, so if you had some text you could highlight. And what it does is anytime you make a change in here, it copies it immediately to the clipboard. So I haven't pressed Control and C to copy, I haven't selected anything. I've just highlighted on here. I go to Word, I click paste, and you can see that it's come straight in. So any changes you make here will go immediately into the clipboard. If you wanted to save this image, you can of course save it. When we made our selection, we did it in, as you saw, a rectangle. You can click on the mode there and you can change it so that it takes the entire window, or you have what they call a freeform snip. So if we go back, you'll notice that when we go on New, we can cut out in any shapes that we wanted. And again, when we go back onto Word and paste, you'll see that's exactly how the image is coming. So that's how to use the Snipping Tool in Windows 10.